name is Raymond Carter. Been working homicide in this city for the last 10 years. I was promoted recently. Well, it was more like a lateral move into the cold case department.
No. Let's see. Needs something new, something authentic, something authentic.
My name is Raymond Carter. Been working homicide in this city for the last 10 years. I was promoted recently. Well, it was more like a lateral move into the cold case department. See, part of the mayor's plan for cleaning up this once lucrative town is to solve a crime that a lot of people had a hard time forgetting. That includes cleaning up a once desirable neighborhood. 3 rural suicides in the same house in 3 consecutive years? Something didn't fit. What am I missing? I need to go to the house. I need to see for myself. So I grabbed my 8mm camera, the files, and my flashlight. Case number 1. William Hartley. Worked down at the bakery on 5th Street. Friends and co-workers say he was a pretty good guy. Always happy, generous, nice. So what happened? No signs of struggle. Doesn't look planned out. Things looked rushed. It doesn't make sense. Case number 2. Rachel Maloney, 10 years old. Described as a happy girl with a loving family. Died of a gunshot wound to the head. The family didn't even own a gun. Case number 3. Penelope Reeves, secretary for the last mayor, described as a workaholic, explains the sleeping pills, but not the motive for taking so many.
Hey, Greg. Yeah, I'm writing it right now. Yeah, it'll be done by tomorrow. Don't worry about it. I'm actually writing it on a typewriter. Yeah, no, I'll have it on on an email tomorrow. Don't worry about it. All right. Talk to you later. no. Finally.